Mark, we gotta install a dead pedal.
These dead pedals? I think we're gonna go with this one so it matches my factory pedals. But let's install it in my 04 STI. We're gonna be replacing this plastic junk that's 22 years old with one of our Kartboy dead pedals. All right, so we're gonna pop this open, take a look at it. We have the dead pedal itself, which has the same hole pattern as the stock one. Also Kartboy sticker, throw this somewhere, not on the windshield, that's a bad idea. Billet aluminum, black rivets, and laser engraved with the Kartboy logo. Stock dead pedal, gross. So stock dead pedal is held in by just a couple plastic pop clips. Now in this case, I do have extra ones, but since these are 22 years old, I've seen salt, a whole bunch of different presidents, world conditions, they're pretty brittle. So if they break, we're gonna have to replace them with new ones. So go easy on them, they're fragile, they're Italian. So sometimes you can just pull it, kind of work it out with your dead pedal. Other times you can take a little persuader, give her a little pop. I don't know where that clip went. Oh, here it is, we'll find it. And it looks like it's okay. So I'll reuse that one. Same thing with this one, just putting the screwdriver under, pry it. That clip, not so nice, she broke. So we're gonna have to grab the remnants with pliers. Grab the remnants with come here. Grab the remnants with pliers, pull it out. This might be what you're kind of looking at when you pull out these plastic clips. So luckily, I do have some spares. I'm gonna go grab them right now. Fun fact, my backup clip is actually out of my other 04 STI because this is a long-term project, you know how it goes. So dead pedal has same hole pattern as the factory one, and it's as simple as putting the pins in, pushing them in. You do have to give them a little billy, make sure they're all the way in. I'm just gonna tap it with the back of my screwdriver, and because I actually raise the clips up a little bit, it's actually much more firm than the factory one. So our Kartboy dead pedal is now fully installed, and it's just a little bit different from the stock GD one. So if you have a GD STI, WRX, you definitely owe it to your car to grab one of these. It also matches the factory pedals much more closely than this black plastic garbage. When I'm whipping on ramps, now I have some raised rivets that'll keep me in place in my seats. Allegedly. Couldn't have been a more simple install. If you guys have any questions, shoot us an email, supportboy@kartboy.com. You can send us an owl if you're into Harry Potter, that's pretty cool too. That's all I got. I love you. Goodbye.